Right guys, blue or black pen for your answer and purple pen for your progress steps. Now guys, if you're enjoying these videos, please drop them a like. Please share them with your friends from other schools and please tag me in your photos at Cross Maths. Okay, I love seeing people's work, it makes it all worthwhile. Fitness video going to be going up again this afternoon. Okay, so if you enjoy those, you find those useful, okay, send me your score. I don't mind how you did. Okay, I find it really interesting seeing how people did each day. Okay, right guys, so really easy question, okay? It's the last question on higher tier numeracy. However, it's quite a straightforward question if you understand area and circumference of a circle. Now, that's what we're talking about by here. Length. They want to find the length of major arc AD. That's this bit by there. So we want to find that. That's what we're trying to find, okay? And essentially, we need to cover it with 35 centimeters of... We need to cover it with anti-rust strip. We've got 35 centimeters. Whatever's left over is what we're trying to find out. So we're trying to find this bit by there. Now we're not trying to find the whole circumference, which would be the whole thing. Now I know circumference of a circle is pi times diameter. That'll be the whole thing. Okay, we only want this fraction by here. Again, I'm writing up here just so you can see it and it makes it easier for me to go through. Circumference is pi times diameter. Remember, diameter is length across the whole circle. The length of arc AD isn't the whole thing, it's this fraction in by here. So we want this bit. The fraction we're looking for is 240 over, think of degrees in a circle, 240 degrees out of a possible 360, which essentially is the same as 2 over 3. We want 2/3 of the circle. So we want 2/3 of the circumference. So if circumference is pi times diameter, we need 2/3 of pi times diameter. Okay. Now when I'm doing it in terms of pi, that's what the question asked me for. When they want it in terms of pi, I just leave pi on the end. Okay, and I leave it there until the end of the question, do my working with my numbers, and then I leave pi on the end, and then whatever I've got is my number, then pi. That's what in terms of pi means. It means you can't, they don't want you to work it out essentially. 2/3 times by my diameter now. My diameter, remember the radius it told us in the question was 6. Okay, we want the diameter which is the length all the way across. So it's double 6, which is 12. 2/3 times 12 times pi. Again, we can't do anything with a pi, but 2/3 times 12 just gives me 8. So the length of this arc by here is 8 centimeters. Okay, 8 pi centimeters. Okay, once you're there, we want to know what's left over if we cover that with the 35 centimeters of anti-rust strip. Okay, I'm going to write that over by here. The bit left over will be the 35 centimeters you start with, take away the 8 pi. Now again, when you've got two different things, okay, this is like a 35 and an 8x. You can't take them away. You can't do any maths for those. So your answer essentially is just this as it is. Okay, so you can't do any maths. You can't simplify that anymore. The bit left over is your 35 centimeters. Take away your 8 pi centimeters. That is your answer, okay? Guys, very straightforward question. Lots of people would leave it, okay? Have a go. Do your best with these things, okay? It's important you get something written down, okay? If you've enjoyed this video, guys, can you please make sure you like it? Please take a photo of your answer and tag me at Cross Maths and share it with as many people as you can. The more people I can reach, more people I can help.